Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to another episode of Pan the Organizer. So today I'm reviewing the WoollyWormit. This is the ultimate wheel brush, perfect for your rims and lug nuts. And it has so many cool features that you'll think to yourselves, I wish I had invented this, but it has a patented design. So we're gonna learn everything there is to know about it. And of course, you're gonna see it in action. So without further ado, stay tuned. Let's go ahead and start the show. So hey guys, I'm Pan, welcome to the show. I hope you guys are having a great day. So as I said, today I'll be reviewing and testing one of my favorite brand new wheel brushes. This is the WoollyWormit. Now this wheel brush is perfect to clean your rims and your lug nuts as well, so more on that in just a second. But this has so many awesome features that you're probably gonna tell yourselves, why didn't I come up with that design? Well, this has a patented design because of all those great features. And by the way, if you wanna check this wheel brush out, I'll make sure to include the link in the description under the video for you guys to check it out. But stay tuned because I'm going to show you the features, and of course you're going to see it in action. I'm going to demo this on the wheels of my BMW. So essentially what makes this awesome is that Scott and John, the designers of this brush, took 3 years to engineer and do multiple tests to come up with this final design. But one of their main purposes is that they knew that wheel cleaning is one of the most daunting tasks of car detailing, and usually that's a task that takes a lot of time. So they increased the efficiency by coming up with this design because it's going to replace many of the brushes that you're probably currently already using. So let's go over the features that make the WoollyWormit one of the best wheel brushes out there. So first of all, it comes with a microfiber chenille cover that's very, very soft for all wheel finishes, and it will not scratch your wheels. There's no handle per se on the brush, so you can grab this wherever you want on the brush. The 13-inch design allows you to go deep inside the wheel barrels for a perfect cleaning. Also, its slim design is perfect to get behind the majority of the big brake kits if need be. It has an integrated lug nut cleaner here, so this integrated design at the tip allows you to clean the lug nuts, because that's another hard area to clean and you need smaller brushes to go through the lug nuts usually, but it has that included. You can remove the cover, and of course you can wash it or replace it as need be. And they also have some replacement covers in different colors, so you guys can use them for whatever combination you want. You can have specifically for wheels, for engine detailing. You can even use this for other purposes that you guys can come up with. But essentially you can replace those covers as need be. Of course, it has a flexible design, so that's another neat feature. So this helps you to reach behind the spokes, because we all want to clean our wheels perfectly, and the area behind the spokes also needs to be cleaned, and it's always super hard to get to. So this has a design that's user bendable to whatever shape you guys want, and then it's easy to put it back into shape, as this comes back straight very easily. So what comes inside the box? It comes with everything that you'll need, so let's unpack one for you guys to watch. First of all, super compact design. So WoollyWormit, let's have a close-up here. There you go. And inside the box, it contains everything that you guys will need. Of course, it has the brush, but it also has the lug nut brushes, or the lug nut attachments, the lug nut cleaners, in 2 different sizes, so small and large. So you get 4 of each. You get, of course, the wheel brush itself, and you also get these supports, one for the small lug nut brushes and another one for the large ones. So you have everything that's needed to go. So let's have a closer look. So this is the lug nut attachment that goes here at the end of your brush. And on top of the lug nut attachment, you get these lug nut cleaning brushes that you simply insert inside the lug nut holder, and that's it. You assemble this in roughly 5 seconds, that's all it takes, and it's ready to use. So let me remove the microfiber cover so you guys can have a better look at the stem itself. So look at this design. This is a patented design. It's this rubbery textured material, and of course it bends into whatever shape, and it has enough rigidity that it'll keep that shape until you decide to bring it back to its original form. So this is the brush itself. And of course, there's nothing that can damage your wheel's finish because you have that awesome chenille microfiber cover. And of course, it's very simple because you just slide it back on and that's it, you're good to go. There are no exposed parts. There's no metal parts on this, so nothing that can damage your wheel finishes. And of course, this is super soft and you can use this on any type of wheel and it does a great job. Again, let's see this up close. So it's perfect to clean cars, SUVs, minivans, trucks, motorcycles, and even RVs. So now let's go ahead and see this in action on one of my wheels. In my 21 plus years of car detailing, I've tested a lot of wheel brushes, including all the ones from major car detailing products companies. So brushes like the Microfiber Madness Incredibrush, we have the Geon Wheel Brush, the traditional Wheel Woolies brush, Ammo NYC Wheel Brush, we have the Speedmaster Wheel Brush and its stepbrother, the Easy Detail Brush, the Wheel Woolies Boar Hair Brush. Basically, you need a bunch of brushes for different applications, and what I liked about the WoollyWormit is that one brush does it all. So it has no metal exposed parts, so it won't damage the finish. It has a replaceable and washable microfiber chenille cover here, so it's safe on all wheel finishes. It's 13 inches long, so it's great to get deep inside the wheel barrels, all the cracks, the crevices, the nooks, the crannies. It's bendable to any user selectable shape, so you can get a perfect clean behind the spokes as well. It's very easy, of course, to put in whatever shape you want. It has this integrated lug nut brush in the end, so a tool to clean the lug nuts. So it's an all-in-one wheel cleaning tool. It's a perfect brush. Again, I'll leave the link in the description under the video for you guys to check it out, but there's a reason why it has a patented design. Well, that's because it's awesome. You're going to continue to see it in action, of course, on my channel, because I think this is a must-have for any mobile detailer, any car detailer, or even a DIY enthusiast at home, because it's going to get you the job done done perfectly in no time, and it replaces many of the other brushes that we often use when cleaning our wheels. I want to give a big shout out over to Scott and John at WoollyWormit. Thank you for sponsoring this video and making all of this possible. By the way guys, if you enjoy my videos, show me your support by smashing the thumbs up button. Also, if you're new to my channel, take a second and click the subscribe button that's found under this video, and that way you'll subscribe to my channel and never miss my future videos. So guys, thanks for being there, thanks for watching, and in the meantime, don't forget, keep it tight, keep it clean, and I'll see you on the next one.